Chapter 13 West but in the East. West Bengal is further east than Bihar and Jharkhand. Look at the picture clue and fill in the blanks about West Bengal. So there are so many pictures given here, the famous ones and the most known ones also. And there is a fill in the blanks given in the right side of the picture, and fill it looking to the clue pictures. First one, Rabindra Setu is the official name of the very famous dash over the river dash. The first dash is Howrah Bridge over the river Hooghly. Second, the largest mangrove forest in the world. The dash or in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Sundarbans. The first Asian winner of the Nobel Prize in Literature and composer of our national anthem was, it's none other Rabindranath Tagore. Dash director of critically acclaimed films such as Patthar Panchali and Santraji Ki Khiladi was the first Indian to win an honorary Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement in 1992. Satyajit Ray. The second largest cricket stadium in the world, named after a heavenly place, is known as Eden Gardens. The city of Dash used to be the capital of India until 1911, Kolkata. The part of the Indian Ocean from the Ganga Delta down to Kanyakumari is called the Dash, Bay of Bengal. The Great Himalayan Railway, part of the UNESCO Heritage Mountain Railways of India, spans on 88 kilometers journey from New Jalpaiguri to Dash, and region famous for its fine tea, Darjeeling. Some popular Bengali foods are Dash, fish and sweets such as Rasgulla and Dash, Hilsa, the first Dash, and Sandesh. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of the India and Bangladesh, but the state animal of West Bengal is the Dash, fishing cat. Chapter 14, Computer Shortcuts. A very nice thing. We will know about the computer keyboard shortcuts without using the mouse. What all the things we can do it using the combination of two keys. And here is the combination of two keys and the function in the another column. The first, Control B. What does this Control B? Keep on pressing on Control and B button. What does it do? Format a selected section in bold. So what we select on the screen, that becomes in bold letters. Control N. What does a Control N combination do? Open a new blank file, that is in H. So whichever the file you have kept application you have kept open. Control N, if you press, a new part, means the new page or new presentation opens. Control X, right. Control X is cut a selected portion. So whatever you have selected, that portion of it will be cut like a scissor. Control V. So what does the Control V do? Control V does paste a deleted or copied portion. So just now we have seen that we have done the cut. So where to paste that? Using the Control V, we can paste. So Control I. What does Control I do? Control I italize a selected portion. What we have selected the text, it goes in slanting style. That is italize. Control U. Control U. What does it do? What is this U? Your U says that underline. Yes, underline a selected portion. So whatever the text we have selected, we press Control and U button. The text gets an underline below that. Control C. Yes, copy a selected portion. Whatever the text you have or whatever you have file you have selected, if you press Control C, it copies it. Control S. What does a Control S do? Save. So whatever you have done, the changes in the document or presentation or any file. So pressing Control S, it saves. Control O. Open a file. So when the application is open, you have to click on File and Open. Instead of that, just press the Control O. You get the File Open dialog box. Control P. What does this Control P do? Right, it prints. So whatever you have done on the screen, Paint or Word or PowerPoint or anything, whichever is open on the screen, press Control P. So it goes for the print command. Do it, try it out if you have computer, and enjoy the shortcuts.